morning, WHB. I'm Rieve Lyle.
And I'm Helena Jones. Hey, Rieve, isn't it weird to think that we started a new decade last week?
Definitely, but I'm still caught up on middle school. Remember when we used to make our own music videos and...
Yeah, let's not talk about that. Let's see what Luke and Abby put together for the review of our last decade.
This past decade sure has been a memorable one, both in West Hampton Beach and the entire world.
As a new decade begins, let's take a look at all the memorable things that have happened over the past 10 years.
Dreaming about the things that we could be.
So it's gonna be forever. You already know.
That's a real me when I'm in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Oh, is it too late now to say I need a one dance? And then we start to dance and I'm singing like, oh, I want something just like this.
Might be over now, but I feel it still.
Oh, it's how I feel it.
Duh.
I want you to be happier because I'm happy when I'm wiser and I'm older. 'Cause you make me feel alive. It goes on and on and on.
You're not coming down.
Keep it on the high note. Holding on to something. I know I'm not the only one. If you feel like a rock star,
This is what you came for.
feels right when I'm in my zone.
Doesn't mean I'm over.
The way that things have been. Wish we could turn back time 10 years older, but
Look at what you taught me. I want you to stay.
I can't forget you. I'm just so I love you.
Don't let me down. What can I say?
Say with you want me better. Just say with you I can't. Are you ready for the rest of my life? Yes, please. I think it might be too much.
To myself.
We've come a long way from where we began.
This is crazy.
After all these years on your magical mystery ride, come too far and we go back to the start. But if you close your eyes, like nothing changed at all. And if you close your eyes, I can feel like you've been here before. God, I'm saying wow, oh my. Getting no, you know I'm all about that dream or a genie or a wish. All about that place much simpler than this. Hey, you know me, Just hold on, I'm going home. All about that glitz and the glam and the fashion. All about that pandemonium and all the madness. Forget me.
He used to meet me on the east side.
I can't seem to get you off my mind, but you need it, yeah, you need it. All of the time, yeah. DJ Khaled. I woke up Chris Breezy. It don't make no sense. Oh my God, I'm the man. Tripping in finesse.
Keep on breathing.
I said I like it like that.
Said I look it like that.
Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing and breathing.
Wow, I forgot about how many things happened these past years.
Me too. I'll never forget the time Mr. McDermott rapped on the Hurricane Watch, though.
Oh yeah, I remember that. Who knew he could actually rap?
I know, right? We went around the school to see what other secret talents teachers have. Let's take a look.
Mr. Dorskin, do you have any special talents you did before you were a teacher?
Yep, I unicycled, and I can actually juggle while I unicycle. I still can do it, I think.
So, Miss Connolly, I hear you were a pretty good dancer at your old school. You want to tell me about it?
Well, I was in Dancing with the Teachers at Hopog High School, where we were paired with another teacher. I was paired with the athletic director, and we trained for about 3 months under the direction of a student dancer, and she choreographed our routine, and then we danced and performed for the district.
Well, a little unknown fact is that I have been the face of the Red Rooster since 1999.
I'm here with the Joey Mensch. Mr. Mensch, phys ed teacher in the elementary school. You have anything unusual or cool that people might not know about you?
Back in the day, I was a professional snowboarder for a couple of years. So once I finished up high school, I moved out to Colorado and tried to go to the 2014 Olympics.
Who knew all those teachers had hidden talents?
Yeah, no cap. That's facts.
Please don't say things like that. I thought that was over.
No, it's not over, but Chris and Aiden went around to see what shouldn't follow us into the new year.
What's going on, WHB? We just went around to take a look at what people want to get rid of in the year 2020. What would you like to see gone in the new year?
Comiskey drinking seltzers. Refreshing.
What would you like to see gone in the year 2020 around Westhampton?
Politics.
Mr. Moran?
Mr. Moran. Raunchy mullets. Swinter clout.
What want to see gone from Westhampton 2020?
Okay. Less Tims.
What would you like to see gone from Westhampton in the year 2020?
I would like to see all of the fakeness gone. Be your true self. Be happy with your body. No editing things on Instagram or any social media. Don't cheat. I want to see no more gossiping. I want to see all positivity, all of that from 2020 starting now until forever.
I love you, Kelly.
Wow, those are some things I would not mind leaving behind in 2019.
Yeah, me too. Maybe it'll be my New Year's resolution to not say that stuff anymore.
Yeah, that's a good one. Mine's to convince my mom to get me a fourth dog.
Yeah, good luck with that one. As the credits roll, let's see what the students of Miss Hudson's kindergarten class have planned for the new year.
Have a fun and safe weekend, WHB. And a
Happy New Year.
All right, buddy, what's your name?
Christopher?
You know that's my name?
Yes.
All right, so if what is your New Year's resolution?
Reading more books.
Reading more books? That's a good one. Good job.
Helping your parents.
Helping your parents? What do you want to help your parents do?
Do the dishes. To play less video games.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Don't drink juice for 10 days.
All right, so if you had to take this class, first period or eighth period, which one would you take?
8th period.
Me too. All right, what is your New Year's resolution?
Being super nice to your family.
Being super nice to your family. That's a good one. Thank you.